Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a person jumping upward with an outstretched arm. So what we are checking on is if it is a perspective pose. So there's a foreshortening involved here. So what we are showing is that the person is jumping upward, and let's say the hand showing right there, and going backward in foreshortening. There's the delt. Body going that way. Lower body right there. And we fade into the legs. So the left leg is here and the right leg showing somewhat in the background like that. And of course the head like that. So now this can easily be a basketball pose, but you could use this for a variety of purposes. So we could do like foreshortening in the sense that we can just go back like that, and so we have the hand that goes into the pec. There's the chest. Just the side of the pec could be visible, or a bit of the chest could be, the chest partition could be visible. That's up to which angle we wish to employ. So shin and calf going right back. So as we mentioned, quite a bit of foreshortening there. And yes, we have the head like that, eyes, nose, and mouth. The other hand could show it just like that. Back, and one leg could be showing like that. Now that is, look, if you look at it from that perspective, essential basketball pose, but we will make more more foreshortening in a second. So now we go even further back. Legs ending somewhere right there. Now this could also be a flying pose. It could also be a basketball pose seen from that perspective, and we could also reduce the size of the hand if we need to change the perspective. So just a few options there in a jumping up pose from that angle. Do try it out, and yes, do Google basketball player images, and I think that we will get a lot of them, but this could be used in flying as well. And this could be like you could place the hand closer to the face here, make this into a fist, and it will just become a flying pose with extreme foreshortening. Maybe show the other fist here in that case. So different options, but please do try it out, and a lot of fun can be had with this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.